A question mark shows the end of a sentence that is a direct question. A direct question poses an actual question and requires an answer. A question mark is a terminal punctuation mark with the first letter after the question mark being a capital letter. Remember, we have mentioned previously that headings and subheadings don't need a terminal punctuation like a period or a colon. Question marks are the exception to this rule. When writing headings that are direct questions, you always need to add the question mark. There is one situation where writers sometimes get confused and incorrectly use a question mark. It's wrong to use a question mark after an indirect question. An indirect question like, I wonder when Wendy Stevens was promoted, sounds like a question, but isn't one. Indirect questions don't need an answer and therefore don't actually pose a question. And this means the correct terminal punctuation is a period. Finally, let's turn our attention to the polite request. In email messages, you often write statements that sound like questions, like, could you please send the report to the team by close of business tomorrow, where the writer doesn't really expect an answer. Generally, grammar checkers will want you to insert a question mark, but it's at your own discretion. However, if you're not expecting an answer, it's probably best to use a period or full stop rather than a question mark.